And seriously, an American werewolf in London? Like, that's not gonna be a disaster.
Can someone kill him again, please?
And I need help.
From who? Hey, Styles? Yeah, we should walk into a movie. Popcorn.
I know you guys are right behind us. Put me on speaker.
Yeah.
Called psychometry. What?
They're cool.
Lady, what are you doing? What the hell is that?
A tree.
Hey, this isn't exactly an all-terrain vehicle.
Yeah, did you pay for it?
No.
Then shut up.
Maybe it was you. Or not. Since that would mean she wants to kill you.
Guys? Styles talking? Can we hang on 1 second, please? Hello! Okay, nice work. Really beautiful job, everyone. Now, what should we do about the 20-foot wall of windows?
You told me to call you if there's a dead body.
You found a dead body?
Not yet.
Not yet. What do you mean, not yet? Lydia, you're supposed to call us after you find the dead body.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that again. You find the dead body from now on. Are you just following the bus, or are you planning on mounting it?
Yeah? Here we go.
Is that from the accident?
No. Prada bit me.
Your dog?
I'm a designer handbag. Yes, my dog. The same one when I was 10.
You smoked when you were 10?
No, but my fingernails.
What?
Where are you getting your juice? My mom does all the grocery shopping.
Yes. No. Oh, crap. Depends on how you define lying.
Well, I define it as not telling the truth. How do you define it?
Reclining your body in a horizontal position.
What?
Are you gonna answer it?
Oh, I don't know the answer. I thought we were asking some sort of spirit.
Well, do you know any spirits?
Is she for real?
What do you mean, no? I mean, no. You want to hear it in Spanish? No.
Scott, what happened to your wasabi?
I thought it was guacamole.
I think you'll get the hang of it.
Do the right side brakes on your Jazz SUV squeak a little bit?
Yeah?
Then we're dead.
You don't have to talk about it now if you don't want to.
Yes, he does.
I hate math. It's pointless.
It's school.
It's safe though, right?
Do you want me to answer honestly?